Hello, this is Cyberjar, and today I'm going to talk about the carrier form packet and the driving information that you do for USPS. This is like the basic vocabulary, so you can understand like how to perform like basic services and how to read the terminology. And this will help prepare you to learn your routes faster, so you understand like different types of mails as well. Also on the carrier form package is like as information like delivery instruction. These information is still accurate, and there's a detail of account mailable, matter received. These are household number changes, receipts, reports, missing mail. This is like a time record, like what time you left and from what time, location, put the miles, so forth. This is the forward order change notice one. Like, okay, send from this route to another route if they don't want it. And let's say Rockville, and then they want to switch Rockville, Maryland, and then they want to switch all the way to Las Vegas, Nevada. Employee change of address. To fill for internal, let's say before you like say you moved away, you move from DC all the way to Virginia, so you change your address so they know where to forward your mail, change your address. Say if they are authorized, this one is like, so if they miss your delivery, they'll send you information. This one is not used that much anymore. Mostly tsunamis use this one, but they still use both for some. This is authorized to hold mail. They can only hold it for about 30 days. After 30 days, it becomes employees can go claim it in the mail or get sent back to the place. The sender complete the information. Return receipt for international mail. It's the basic information you need. Fill out. Post office to address. Delivery employee. Okay. This is an example how the form is filled out. This is an example, like, they'll give you like receipt, return receipt with merchandise, certified mail, registered mail, insured mail, delivery confirmation. This will usually show up on your package, so it should be easy to see. This is a carrier auxiliary control. What this entails is, talks about like the assistance, estimated work, minutes, approve or disapprove, the transportation, relay, what time, how many you start in the office, and then you're on the street time. Delivery equipment, undelivered mail report. These are hazard warning cards and job warning cards, like for certain areas that have some issues. Notification of absence, you have to fill one out if you're being absent for the day. Publication watch is a document that lists the address information for businesses and routes. Mailbox needs and carrier pickup questions. I'll provide some information below the video. Okay, next is the driver training program. What it entails, like, talking about this from 2004. Information is still accurate, just maybe a little bit more smaller now. Everything's mostly digital now, so this is the old way before they give you paper. Okay, vehicle time record, hazard detail, this table of contents. Like the course modules go through. There's like different types of mail. The post office box you can do in the house, or mounted, curb line door slots. Also, ways to drop off mail to vertical mailbox, parcel. So a few examples. This is an example of a PS form 3849. Our needs for today, tomorrow. So you fill out the information, and this is a form 3811 domestic return receipt. There are steps. There's operation records. Accident statistics. Okay, if you get into an accident with a USPS postal truck, you'll have to, depending on how serious that is. A small accident, take a retraining course. If big accident, you're fired, they take away your benefit, everything. You just get paid for your hours, and they return like certain money you invested for insurance and stuff like that. I'll go back to you. This is a mandatory service talk. This one explains like if there's like remember to always report crimes and keep document records. This is a report of hazard, unsafe condition or practice. This is employee action, supervise, employee action. Okay, where the problem is, you describe it, then you give a supervisor, make this like you call the supervisor, and then they'll go check up on information and they'll sign it. They approve it off for the approving official, which is like the general manager. They'll approve if it needs to be fixed or not. Proceeding check, take some pictures. This is like